There's something undeniably special about vintage British sports cars. Their lightweight frames, elegant styling, and raw driving feel have earned them a loyal following for decades. But as many enthusiasts know, these cars often come with a frustrating caveat: reliability issues. That's where Restomod specialists like Frontline Cars step in, offering modern performance and dependability without sacrificing the soul of a classic. One of their standout creations is a stunning MGA that's been reimagined with a Ford Duratec engine, delivering not just nostalgia, but exhilarating speed. Based in Abingdon-on-Thames, UK, with outlets as far away as Australia, Frontline Cars has become a household name among fans of MG sports cars. Their philosophy is simple yet brilliant: keep the spirit of these classics alive, but make them faster, more reliable, and far more enjoyable to drive every day. In the case of the MGA, it's the perfect canvas for a modern makeover. Originally launched in the mid-1950s, the MGA was lightweight, stylish, and fun, but underpowered. Its single-cam B-Series engine typically produced less than 80 horsepower, and even the high-performance twin-cam variant barely reached 110 horsepower. It was a car beloved for its handling, not its speed. Frontline Cars saw an opportunity to elevate the MGA beyond its limitations. Out went the old four-cylinder, and in came a 2-liter Ford Duratec engine borrowed from a Focus. With a Siebenrock big bore kit and thoughtful tuning, this power plant now pumps out 225 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, effectively tripling the original output. Paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox sourced from a Mazda, possibly a Miata, the transformation is breathtaking. Suddenly, a car that once needed 15 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour now does it in under 5. That makes this Restomod MGA quicker than a brand new Mazda MX-5, all while weighing less and looking infinitely more charming. But Frontline didn't just swap engines and call it a day. The chassis was carefully reworked to handle the newfound power. A 5-link rear suspension and double wishbones up front ensure precise handling, while upgraded brakes with large rotors and multi-piston calipers provide confidence when stopping. These refinements transform the MGA into a sports car that feels at home on winding roads and racetracks alike, staying true to its heritage while unlocking performance levels the original designers could never have imagined. The styling, too, pays homage to the past while embracing modern craftsmanship. The MGA's ponton body design, smooth, flowing, and aerodynamically inspired by Le Mans racing, remains intact, but the details elevate it. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of luxurious. Every surface is wrapped in rich leather, polished wood, or brushed metal. Even the inside of the door cards is trimmed with the same meticulous care, giving the cabin an artisanal quality that rivals high-end bespoke builds. It's the kind of cockpit that captures both the charm of the 1950s and the refinement of today's best automotive craftsmanship. What makes this Duratec-Swapped MGA so exciting is that it offers a refreshing alternative to the endless LS and Coyote engine swaps dominating the Restomod scene. Rather than brute force and excessive horsepower, this build celebrates balance, handling, and drivability. It shows that a Restomod doesn't have to be extreme to be thrilling. It can be subtle, precise, and deeply rewarding to drive. The MGA also carries with it a rich motorsport history, from racing at Le Mans to surprising stints in SCCA events and even NASCAR in the 1950s. Frontline Cars Restomod pays tribute to that legacy while ensuring the car can thrive on modern roads. It's a build that doesn't just restore an icon, but reinvents it for a new generation of drivers. In a world filled with predictable swaps and cookie-cutter builds, this MGA stands out as proof that creativity and craftsmanship still matter in the Restomod culture. It's not just a car, it's a reminder of why enthusiasts fall in love with driving in the first place. Less power may have defined the original MGA, but in the hands of Frontline, more power and more thrills make it a true modern classic.